hook in your finger, Sawyer?
It's out now.
Ouch.
We're good.
We're good.
Quit, I'm bald.
Bro. It's hot.
Oh, can't show this haircut.
A little warm. What's that haircut, Sawyer?
Don't ask me. It's supposed to be a trim.
The trim?
A trim.
It's a nice do. What is this spot? Dialed?
I didn't say that.
This spot is dialed.
I said the worms were dialed.
This spot is dialed. We're 2 fish deep. We've been here an hour. Not even.
You guys have been here an hour.
Yeah. Say you want to mish.
Little side quest.
Better go get dialed worms.
Juicy worms.
Juicy worms. Mm. Oh, for real. Bro, Ben's down there just in his own little world.
Is everything okay down there, Ben?
Bro, what?
Ben, I think your line's supposed to be in the water.
Yeah, Ben, the water's that way. Like out there. You're not supposed to cast on the bank.
Ben's dialed.
Ben's dialed. He says in the water. I don't believe it. Yo, that sun needs to go down. It needs to cool off.
Damn, dude, this is so majestic of a spot.
Warm. I know, the view is pretty nice, though. What'd you do?
Quite literally tied around my eyelet.
No way.
Ben, do you have one? No, my fucking line actually got tied around my eyelet.
Sawyer just tied his line around his eyelet on a cast. What even happened?
I know I'm gonna fix it. I don't know how it happens.
It is what it is. It be what it be.
Oh wait, hold on.
We got fish to catch.
It might be good. It might have came out.
Hey, good deal.
It's because I rather tie it around my eyelet than I would evidently fish.
Excuses is all I hear. Ben's having a crash out over some bugs. They're leaving you alone now? Well, there's a swarm up here. Taking videos of your truck in the sunset like every other teenager?
It's a motion party, you can not get in. Don Julio, I don't drink in.
You gotta remember you have a mic on.
Clayton, there's a blue tent out there.
What? Wait. Yeah. Hold on. No, that's a paddle boat.
No way.
Yeah. That's a paddle boat.
I've fucking seen enough. Who wants to go swimming?
Come look at the camera. No way.
When I see
Ben, if you bring that paddle boat back, you're a G. Spewed out. You think they took my worm? Bro, it ain't no better over here. These bugs are terrible. I've probably eaten a million of them. Fuck you. Is this your first time walking?
Fuck yeah. I told Ben earlier I can't even walk on my left leg. Don't walk on one of them. I trip on it.
One of them doesn't get used, I guess. Dude, these bugs. Don't clip that. Yikes.
Shad just jumped, dude.
That's what the kitties are after.
We'll catch the shad, dude.
Come on, Brad.
Come on, Brad.
Take the picture, Brad.
Full of fish. These flies are eating me, man.
You good, Ben? Are these bugs? These bugs eating you, bro? Yes. Take the picture, Brad. The flies are eating me. Hold on. Take the picture, Brad.
Take the picture, Brad.
Flies are eating me, Brad. You gotta put it down and start scratching.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna throw a bite on that hunk of shit.
Well, we were getting bites. I know. They're getting me. Damn, what do you got, boy? Brush pile just comes to the bank. We can use that to build a bridge so you can go get that boat. Oh, yeah. Our new 2025 Malibu wake boat.
Hey, there's something out there. Is that a fucking otter?
Shad.
What about Brad?
A shad, not Brad.
Come on, Brad.
Come on, Brad.
This motherfucker is just tighter than.
Careful what you're saying, boy. You eating them bugs? Yo, giant fish right here. Yo, what? I don't know where it went. That was a giant fish.
I think I just got it out.
No way.
I think I did.
Let's hope.
If I did, the hook is fucking bent to holy
I need to
grail.
reel in my bobber here, Ben. The bobber's getting out of control out there. I'm not catching anything on it anyway.
Oh, guys, I was on some fucking weeds.
I couldn't tell. We don't need to go very far. Yeah, I guess. No fish. Ben's crashing out. Valid crash out. I say we check the diddy poles. I should have wore a belt.
Just give me a second. Just give me a second. I want to come. Just give me a second.
You want to come? Look, it's right there. Dude, it's still there. Kitty, kitty. The hell?
Is that a fucking belt for a car?
Yes. It's a belt to something.
There's your belt you wanted.
That's a belt I needed. I did say I needed a belt, but like I wanted to hold my pants up.
That could go around a couple times.
It could go around a few times. I doubt we've caught anything. That doesn't even look like it's moving.
Yeah, my line ain't moved a bit.
You pulling it in to check it or no? We went way down here. I felt like it was a pretty good spot. Really? Yes. I don't even like snakes. I don't even like cottage cheese. No.
I don't even like cottage cheese.
I don't even like cottage cheese. No. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Hey, my cat said to tell your cat, I said, fuck you. Your dumbass fucking jokes, your bullshit.
Yeah.
Have a swim, boy.
Oh fuck! I didn't even hit with that.
Yeah.
I didn't do nothing.
You've been hitting me with that pink thing all night.
Yo, hold
That
on.
pink. That
Hitting
pink.
you with that pink what?
One in the truck or the swimming?
Both.
Yo. I don't even know what's going on right here. We gotta check these. Nope, can't be doing that.
If I don't get hooked on this fuck ass log.
I'm catching a geese. There we go.
No ticks.
I'm about to eat a cold hot dog, boy.
POV.
POV.
POV. Those flames are hot, by the way.
Boy, is this gonna be an all-nighter then?
Cheese eaters.
Ben can't even break a damn stick. There we go. Hey, there we go.
Oh, I didn't try that to begin
Let's do
with.
that a few more times. One more. Ben, you think you made our fire big enough?
I don't know. A little bigger maybe.
A little bigger, maybe?
Smells like s'mores. Or
Actually,
am I just fat?
I might have graham crackers and marshmallows in my car, just no chocolate.
That grass is gonna burn quick.
Yeah, but that's a good
I don't know.
fire.
I heard green stuff just makes it last longer. Queen, my haircut. It's not okay. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Ben, do you approve of Sawyer's haircut?
Yes, it did.
Oh, I got something fucking glowing on me. Jeez Louise. Stop! God damn it.
It looks fine.
Don't even a shit.
I've had worse. Oh, shit. What are you? Hey, yo!
Mm-hmm.
Hell no.
49 shots in a handle of Fireball. Gotta check that.
I mean, you weren't. That's still fish.
Still fish. Oh no, it was pulling it like it was a full size fish.
Don't fall in the water.
Hell yeah. Nicky cat. Meow meow. Meow meow. We got a meow meow. Meow meow. Nice.
Ben, where are you going?
Yeah, Ben, where are you headed? This is the last pull. Oh, unique. Oh, geez. Ben, you want a kitty?
Kitty kitty go meow.
Kitty kitty go meow. Oh, fuck. That hook. Well, I wish I would have filmed it, but I was afraid of dropping my phone in the water. Me and the boys kind of called it a night at about, I don't know, 1, 2 a.m. We decided to leave a couple diddy poles out here. I came back this morning, I checked them, and we had ourselves a catfish. Nothing huge, but hey, it's another fish on the board. All in total, we caught 4 catfish. I took 3 home with me last night, and then this guy today, so not too bad for an overnight fishing. But I think that's gonna be the end of this video, and I'm gonna try to get another one out this weekend. I gotta get better about that. So, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, peace out.